This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss shady finance exposed, banks and insurers complicit in selling written-off cars, Catch You Ask We Answer, 2011 Elantra just gathering dust, keep it or cash in. In this episode of All Things Motoring, we look into cars of the 2025 Africa Rally, from Hilux to Land Cruiser to Beetle. Read Colin Mendel's article, 5 tips to help you when buying a used car. Tour teams up with Reach for a Dream to drive change. Ford strengthens Ram partnership with 100 new transits. Last chance for South Africa to save its car industry. 2025 Nissan Magnite scores upgraded safety rating. Honda reveals sleek new Prelude coupé. Remember, this Sunday is Cars in the Park at Swartkorps Raceway, Pretoria, from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Proudly brought to you by All Things Motoring. See you there.